Hello all. Today we are going to see two LEDs turn on at the same time and turn off at the same time using Arduino Uno. So first I'm going to show you the simulator using Tinkercad for that. So if you first go to Tinkercad website and sign into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Once you are logged in, create a new circuit by clicking on this create plus button plus and then select circuit. You will see a empty screen here and the components here. So first select Arduino Uno from the components and a breadboard and two LEDs. So now we need to connect. So this is connect LED to the Arduino Uno. So for an LED, there will be a small leg and a big leg, long leg. So the short leg is called cathode and long leg is called as anode. Cathode need to be connected to ground all the time. Anode should be connected to the digital pin headers. So I have used first 1 to 10 and this cathode is going to the ground, which is here, and this one is going to 8. Let's go to the code now. So this is the default code. I'm going to put it in the trash. Okay, let's go to the control and pick a forever and go to output. Select set pin 0 to high, change 0 to 10 and to high, keep this high as it is, and select again set pin 0 to high and change the 0 to 8 and keep high as it is, and go to control, add this one, wait for 1 second and then go back to output, select again the set pin and then change this one to 10 and add one more, change this one to 8, but this time this 2 should go to low. Now let's check the simulator. So both LEDs are turning on. And there is something going wrong here. So 10 to high, 8 to high. Yeah, so the mistake here is I forgotten to add a wait of 1 second. So the difference we are not seeing it here. So start the animator again. So now this works. So this is the code for it. So now let's stop the simulator, go to code. So right now it's selected as block. Our simulator is working. I wanted to change this one to text so that I can see the text version of it. So when you select text, you can't go back to block coding. So this is the code, text code. So pin mode 10 output, pin mode 8 output. So this indicates that these two pins are output pins. So the LEDs are connected in this output pins. So the result will be in this pins. So digital write 10 high, digital write 8 high. So this says that turn on the LED and wait for 1 second. And then this line says turn off the LEDs and wait for 1 second. And it's running in a loop. So let's copy this code. Select all the code, right click and copy and go to Arduino IDE and select everything or go to new and you will see this and select all here and control V. So you copy the code from Tinkercad to here Now go to tools, check your board is right. So the board should be Arduino Uno and port should be selected as COM6, and verify the code and upload the code. Thanks for watching.